This 2022 Forest River XLR Boost 27 XLRX is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, refrigerator, stove top burner, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, awning, oven, microwave, and 86 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River XLR Boost 27 XLRX is 6,385 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.